Hi guys, Honey Singh is back with his comeback, and I'm also back with a new video after a long time. Make you learn this new amazing song, Millionaire. One, two, one, 1, 2. So beat is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. A basic beat. This is a very simple beat now. I'll teach you a little better beat for those who can play a little better. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Same. This is 1. This is 2. But now it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So divide it into two parts. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. One, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content.